Once you've made all of the customization changes to your website and you're happy with how it looks, the next step before you launch is to test the links on throughout your website to make sure everything works and you didn't miss anything. It's totally common to accidentally forget to put a link in somewhere. And so it's important to just go through and then just click on everything you can. Instead of clicking on, you can also hover over. And then if you notice in this left-hand corner down here, there is a link that pops up that tells me that the link is in there. So instead of clicking on them, you don't have to. You can just look down there and then just make sure it's there. And then, so I scroll through and I just make sure all the links are active and I just make sure everything's working. And I do this on every page. So I'm just going to show you this on the home page. And then you can make sure that all of your pages are complete. So then I just hover over the link. So this link, I obviously did not put a link in there. And so that is what happened. So it's a good idea to just hover over and then just make sure that all of your links are set in there. And so I already picked up on 2 that I didn't have set. And so that will be my cue to go in and click the Enable Visual Builder and fix those 2 links. And then I just make sure everything's working, everything's set. Check the links. And there you go. So that all the links are set on that page. And then you should have already been mobile testing. Everything is mobile. If you didn't make any design changes whatsoever to the website, like you didn't move anything or add new stuff from scratch and then build it, you shouldn't have to mobile test. But if you needed to, you certainly could in the Visual Builder or on a test website. And then once all of that is done, you're going to want to just make sure that your links are working. And so the way that I have my menu set is that I actually set all of these as anchor links. So if you see down in this little corner down here, these are all anchor links. So this is how I chose to set up this menu with the anchor links that are provided on that page. So I did tell you that I would go over if you wanted to make these pages individually, and I will. And so I'm going over before you launch. So if you want to set these pages as individual pages, I will show you how. So just make sure to look for that tutorial. So again, once you've tested every single page, then we'll now go over to the dashboard. And then once you're in the dashboard, you will be able to, let's see. Once you're in the dashboard, sorry, I was on a different site. I have a lot of sites running. Once you're in the dashboard, you will have a button if you're using Bluehost to launch your website. And then you see how it says a coming soon page is available. So if you wanted to launch, you would just click that launch button there when you're all ready and you've double checked everything and you've made sure to set the permalinks under the settings and you've set your home page in the theme customizer and you've already set that home page. Then once you've done that, you can go ahead and click launch your site and you're all done and you've gotten everything completed. So congratulations, you made it through and I hope you're happy with your website.